What you feel deeply about yourself internally, within your subconscious mind, is what will manifest. In this video, I will discuss how your subconscious mind is the gateway to manifesting anything and everything that you desire. I will also briefly read an excerpt from Joseph Murphy's book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, that provides a deep understanding of the relationship between your subconscious mind and your 3D reality. At the end of this video, I will provide a simple technique which you can use to program your subconscious mind into manifesting anything in your physical reality. So be sure to watch all the way to the end. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So often, people do not understand the correlation between their subconscious mind and their outer reality, which is why they are unable to manifest their desires. Whatever is within your subconscious mind will be expressed in your outer reality. Your subconscious mind operates on programming just like a computer. There is no reasoning or logic. It only does what it is told to do. So when you program your subconscious into feeling and knowing that you already have your desired manifestation, then it will accept it as true, and your manifestation will come into fruition. In his book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Joseph Murphy explains how your subconscious mind works and how you can use it to your advantage to manifest anything you desire. I will read an excerpt from his book on the relationship between your subconscious mind and your outer reality. And at the end of this video, I will provide a simple technique on how you can program your subconscious mind into automatically manifesting your desire for you in your external reality. Quote, "Whatever thoughts, beliefs, opinions, theories, or dogmas you write, engrave, or impress on your subconscious mind, you shall experience them as the objective manifestation of circumstances, conditions, and events. What you write on the inside, you will experience on the outside. You have two sides to your life: objective and subjective, visible and invisible, thought and its manifestation. Your brain receives your thought, which is the organ of your conscious reasoning mind. When your conscious or objective mind accepts the thought completely, it is sent to the solar plexus, called the brain of your mind, where it becomes flesh and is made manifest in your experience. As previously outlined, your subconscious cannot argue. It acts only from what you write on it. It accepts your verdict or the conclusions of your conscious mind as final. This is why you are always writing on the book of life, because your thoughts become your experiences. The American essayist Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "Man is what he thinks all day long." William James, the father of American psychology, said that the power to move the world is in your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is one with infinite intelligence and boundless wisdom. It is fed by hidden springs and is called the law of life. Whatever you impress on your subconscious mind, the latter will move heaven and earth to bring it to pass. You must, therefore, impress it with the right ideas and constructive thoughts. The reason there is so much chaos and misery in the world is because people do not understand the interaction of their conscious and subconscious minds. When these two principles work in accord, in concord, in peace, and synchronously together, you will have health, happiness, peace, and joy. There is no sickness or discord when the conscious and subconscious work together harmoniously and peacefully. The tomb of Hermes was opened with great expectancy and a sense of wonder because people believed that the greatest secret of the ages was contained therein. The secret was within. So without, as above, so below. In other words, whatever is impressed on your subconscious mind is expressed on the screen of space. This same truth was proclaimed by Moses, Isaiah, Jesus, Buddha, Zoroaster, Lao Tzu, and all the illumined seers of the ages. Whatever you feel as true subjectively is expressed as conditions, experiences, and events. Motion and emotion must balance. As in heaven, your own mind, so on earth, in your body and environment. This is the great law of life. You will find throughout all nature the law of action and reaction, of rest and motion. These two must balance. Then there will be harmony and equilibrium. You are here to let the life principle flow through you rhythmically and harmoniously. The intake and the outgo must be equal. The impression and the expression must be equal. All your frustration is due to unfulfilled desire. If you think negatively, destructively, and viciously, these thoughts generate destructive emotions which must be expressed and find an outlet. These emotions, being of a negative nature, are frequently expressed as ulcers, heart trouble, tension, and anxieties. What is your idea or feeling about yourself now? Every part of your being expresses that idea. Your vitality, body, financial status, friends, and social status represent a perfect reflection of the idea you have of yourself. This is the real meaning of what is impressed in your subconscious mind, and which is expressed in all phases of your life. We injure ourselves by the negative ideas which we entertain. How often have you wounded yourself by getting angry, fearful, jealous, or vengeful? These are the positions that enter your subconscious mind. You were not born with these negative attitudes. Feed your subconscious mind life-giving thoughts, and you will wipe out all the negative patterns lodged therein. As you continue to do this, all the past will be wiped out and remembered no more. Joseph Murphy, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Now, when you program your subconscious mind to accept who you wish to be as true, and accept that the things you desire in your outer reality as already true, then they will express themselves in your physical reality. But how can you program your mind to do so? You do so by impressing a feeling onto your subconscious. Because your subconscious doesn't understand logical thoughts, you must communicate to it using your feelings. So if you want to have more financial abundance in your life, then you would impress the feeling of having financial abundance onto your subconscious mind. The impress is done simply by feeling a specific feeling repetitively until it is accepted as true by your mind. You do this through the creative visualization technique. Visualize yourself doing the things you would do if you had that financial abundance from your first person point of view. Hear conversations you would have with people in your mind. Immerse yourself into these scenes in first person daily and feel the realness of them. Practicing this daily will inevitably impress your subconscious mind into accepting your desires as true, and they will inevitably manifest in your 3D reality automatically. I hope you found this video to be helpful in your manifesting journey. Please be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below with your biggest takeaway. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time a new video is uploaded so you can accelerate your manifesting and have the life you truly desire.